What is up, guys? Welcome to Crown Rig Auto, the channel where we search decommissioned police cars for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment. In this video, we're gonna search this 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor, fresh from the auction. We're gonna investigate and try to figure out what department she came from. We're gonna scavenge this vehicle and show you everything she came with. We will continue that quest to find that biscuit. Let's go.
District 76 Police, release the hostage. Surrender now.
Whoa! No blood! Get him arrested! Get on the ground! Stress from everyday work can affect your intimacy. In fact, 52% of men out there suffer from some form of ED. But thanks to today's sponsor, Roman, you're not alone. Roman is a virtual health clinic for men that can connect you directly to a U.S. healthcare professional for a free telehealth consultation from the comfort of your own home. If appropriate, the provider will find a treatment that is right for you and prescribe effective medication. All simple, it's all convenient. If you think this is something that can help you, head on over to getroman.com/crownrig for a free telehealth consultation and find out if this treatment is right for you. If you use my link, getroman.com/crownrig, you get $15 off your first month. So why were you kidnapping that guy? Wow.
All right, here's a little quick update on the new District 76 K9 unit.
Let me show you what's new. All right, so we got a Phoenix Typhoon 4200 and I added this thing right here. I actually ordered the faceplate, but it's not here yet. Let me show you what this thing sounds like.
Remain in your vehicle with the window down. Permanezca en su vehículo y baje las ventanas. Remain in your vehicle with the...
Check this out. We added a fan. So if I push this button, it turns on this super powerful fan right here. The fan actually feels cool all the way up to the front. Super strong, circulates air, but we gotta get rid of some of this pet dander or whatever it is because it still kind of smells like a dog's butt again.
All right, let's start our search.
Well, look, this one has a light bar on it. Of course, it's open and it has been raining, so we're gonna test that out here in a bit. This looks like a Code 3 2100. Well, those are some interesting looking bars. We got some lights right there. Corner strobes. And check this out. Look at that. Oh, yeah. There's some Whelen ion lights with a Code 3 siren speaker. I can't wait to light that up. All right, security boy is gonna be securing the perimeter. All right, I'm gonna start my search from the front and work my way to the back. Speedometer check. Oh, they're good old finger cuffs. Security boy will volunteer. Can you get out? Is it tight? Oh, yeah, kinda. Yeah? Oh, you're lucky. Spotlights work? Oh, yeah, they work. Nice. Okay, let's take a quick look inside. Lots of goodies. Oh, look, it's got the traction control on off. It's perfect for doing donuts. Look, there's cruise control. Nice. Looks like there's Troy center console, Motorola Astro of some sort. And here's the microphone to go to it. Probably shouldn't. Oh wait, it's not connected, so it's good. Oh wow, Touchmaster. Well, I guess you could say it was a Touchmaster. Don't know what the hell's going on here. I guess they want to make sure it doesn't work. They took it apart. Bunch of car spaghetti. Touchmaster connectors. What the heck is this? It's connected somewhere. A GPS map 290. Oh, what? America's aviation data. What? Searching the sky. What? So basically, it's like a pilot GPS of some sort. It's a Whelen microphone. Brand spanking new too. Okay, let's take a look on the other side. The dome light. Ooh. What is this? Oh, look at this. There's a ruler on this thing. Scuba Pro. Scuba knife? Nice. Look at that. Made in Japan. Nice. Oh, there's another knife here. Comes out. Okay. Oh yeah, it says deep sea on it. This can be very useful. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe if you haven't. Lollipop. See some paperwork. Maybe this will give me clues of where this car's from. Nope. Oh wow, this thing was camouflaging. Nice. A police patch. Let's take a look on the back. How about that? That'll definitely taunt the criminals. How about that? But this is a very interesting setup though. Clear plastic. I have not seen that on a police car before here. There's always the metal window bars. And what do we have here? A Setina partitioner all crammed up in here. Let's remove this thing out of here. All right, let's start this bad girl up. Okay, steering wheel was stuck. All right, she's got 90,000 miles. Let's check under the hood. Whoa, she's running super smooth, clean, dirty, but clean. Let's check out those lights. Check it out. Ion by Wheeling attached to there. Let me make some cuts and see if I can light this thing up. Okay, this knife came in handy. I believe this is the power and the ground. Let's find out. Oh, sweet mother of goodness. That is super sick. Oh, I love how they're vertical instead of horizontal. Nice. Let's put the grill back on, see what it looks like. That is so sick. I love it. Okay, I don't know what's what, but I'm just gonna try to light them all up. Okay. Oh yeah, that is sick. Oh, that is so dope. We got the steady burn red, the steady blue. Nice, so sick.
Now I'm gonna take everything out the back.
I got the cage out and all these interior parts that were pulled out. I also got all the brackets necessary for this cage. Came across this tool right here. I'm not sure exactly what it's for. Looks like a grappling tool for climbing, or maybe this was used to remove the cage or something. And I got me some gloves. All right, these are much needed. Holy smokes, I remember these. Wow. Hot buttery biscuit? Anywhere? Arbitrator camera. So the cables are missing on it.
What the hell was that? Should I touch it?
Let me get my gloves. This job would be perfect for somebody tweaks. Fine. Center console is coming out.
The Troy Center console. Pretty soon I'm gonna set up a website where you guys can get all these things off my hands.
Now there's just a bunch of bolts and a bunch of parts in here that I'm gonna need to put this car back together. All right, got them off. Please be a biscuit, and I ain't talking about bread. Stop sticks. Nice. I don't see any stop sticks. I like this thing though. It's a little beat up. You see what this is? Evidence measuring stick. So when you take pictures of stuff, you'll know exactly how big it is. These are bolts for the push bar, which are very handy, so I'm glad they're here. This is a pretty cool little layout. Sharps container. Freaking gross. What the hell is in here? Freaking ooze? Where's the security boy? Where are you?
Do not do it. What the hell is that? Back the fuck up. Don't do it, Rick. I swear
You
to
don't
God.
know, I don't know what it is.
I swear to
I'll
God.
have to find out.
I swear to God. Don't do it. Don't get out my fucking car.
Got him. Oh, this is a biscuit oven. Ugh. Please be a rifle. Oh. Oh, this is just as good. That's one of the stop sticks. Oh, and here's another stop stick. And another stop stick. I'll dare you to step on that. Stop sticks contain sharp spikes. Do not attempt to repair, dismantle, or open. Yo. Yo, what the heck is this? Looks like some type of whip device. Got a, looks like a window breaker. A seatbelt cutter, I suppose. Stinger Platinum Edition. This must be some type of new police self-defense weapon. I have never seen anything like this. This is crazy. Excellent weapon to carry around. Let's go put this thing to the test. You've been a bad stove. Let me hit you one time. I'll give you $5. You know it's bad luck to break a mirror, right?
Oh well, hey. Heaven forbid I have a little bad luck.
Oh shit.
Did you just break that ever so easily?
It broke it, yeah, super easily. And look, it's crackling right now. You just gotta give it a little more oomph. If anybody's missing a Toyota T100, there she is. She was stolen and dropped off. Stolen, crashed, and dropped off. District 76 Police! Get on the ground! You're here, make yourself known! District 76 Police! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Oh! Free! Not funny man! Put your hands up now! Hands behind your back! Stop resisting!
What do you want for? You need to start talking, funny man.
You want it? Because you're gonna get it, buddy!
Hey, wait, what'd he do?
He's about to get it, he's not talking!
No, he doesn't deserve that.
I'll give you one more chance! Who do you work for? We're gonna amp it up, buddy. You better tell me who you work for. Alright. Oh yeah, buddy, we can do this all night. Who do you work for? Talk!
This is not gonna work for two reasons.
Why is that?
For one, he's enjoying that shit. Two, he's a stuffy.
Oh, you don't like that, huh? You don't like being called a stuffy? Well then tell me who you're working for.
Funny Man was refusing to talk, so we had no choice but to execute him.
You have hereby been sentenced to death by explosion.